Hi everyone, in front of me I've got HUAWEI NOVA 10 SE and let me share with you how to block a number on this device. So basically we've got two different ways to block a number. We can block a number by using our contact list or let's say kind of dialer settings, and of course I'll show you both options. So let's begin with the contacts. Let's open the contact using, for example, the dialer. Find the contact you'd like to block and tap on it, and now let's pick more options and tap on block contact. And as you can see here, we've got the information that this contact is blocked. So from now on we will not receive any incoming calls or text messages from this particular number. Of course we can unblock it the same way, just by tapping on remove from blacklist, but let me leave it like this. We will check if it will actually appear on the blacklist. So now let's go back, and as I said, the second way is by kind of using the phone and the dialer, and thanks to this we can enter the number manually. So let's enter the phone, tap on the four dots icon in the right upper corner and tap on blocked. And as you can see here, we've got call block rules or message block rules. We can set them later on, so let's tap on the settings, and as you can see here we've got call block rules and message block rules again, so let me enter them. Here you can set some rules for blocking, so you can block all incoming calls, unknown numbers or private withheld numbers. You can just use those switchers to turn the option on or off, and the same situation with message block rules, but here we've got only one option, block unknown numbers. Let's get back, and here finally we've got our blacklist, so let's enter the blacklist, and here we've got Anna, so that's the number we just blocked from our contacts. We've got also the information about how many blocked calls you've got or blocked messages also. So here from this tip you can add the number to a blacklist just by tapping on this plus icon, and as you can see here we've got a lot of options, so we can add it from messages, call logs, contacts, prefix, or manually. Here as you can see we've got the contacts, but this time it will be a little bit different because you don't have to do it manually, so block the contacts one by one, but here after tapping on this option you will be able to pick a lot of numbers in a row and just add them together to the blacklist. And as I said also before, here we will be able to simply enter the number, which means that you don't have to have it saved on your contacts. Just tap on add manually, and as you can see here you can enter the number you want to block and tap on OK, and as you can see it will be immediately applied to the block list. In order to remove it, just tap on it and hold it, and now you can mark those which you like to remove from the blacklist and tap on remove. Tap on remove, and as you can see the block list is empty. What's more, just a quick disclaimer, we've got also the trust list and the keyword block list, which simply means that you can enter particular words which you don't want to see actually. So for example, if you will add the word maybe weather, for example, then it means that your device will simply block all messages which will contain the weather. So that's kind of cool, I believe. So basically that's all. This is how to block a number in your HUAWEI NOVA 10 SE. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.